Hello, I'm Rupali teacher. Today we are going to learn three-letter E vowel word. Shall we start?
Yes.
E said A, D said
Do.
ED ed, ED
Ed.
R ed,
Red.
B ed,
Bed.
F ed,
Fed.
T ed,
Ted.
W ed,
Wed.
M ed,
Med.
Z ed,
Zed.
K ed,
Kid.
G ed.
Gate.
E says A, G says go. E G egg, E G
Egg.
A go egg. E double G egg. B egg,
Bed.
L egg leg. K egg cake. P egg pig. M egg meg. H egg heg. V egg veg. E N N, E N
N.
M N men. M N men. Louder बोला. L A M N men.
The men.
T N ten.
T and 10.
H N hen.
Her and hen.
P N pen.
P and pen.
D N den.
D and den.
E says A, T says T. E T eight. B eight bet.
B at bed.
L eight let.
L at let.
M eight met.
M at met.
W eight wait.
V at wet.
G eight get.
G at gate.
P eight pet.
P at pet.
S eight set.
S at set.
N eight net.
N at net.
W eight wet.
V at wet.
Y eight eight.
Y at eight.
Z eight jet.
Z at z.
If you like my teaching, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.